What is the name of our prophet?
Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Who is our father of nation?
Gandhiji. Gandhiji. Gandhiji.
Masha Allah. How many verses in Surah Fatiha?
7. 7.
Great job. When we celebrate Independence Day? Well done. Where did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam born?
Makkah.
MashaAllah. What is the name of our country?
India.
Perfect.
Which is the smallest surah in Quran? Surah Kawthar.
Great. What did the children call Nehru? MashaAllah. Good job.
Chachaji.
Good job. What is our state?
Kerala.
MashaAllah. What is the name of our school?
Alif DQ.
Congratulations.